If you're a snack lover who wants better digestion, more energy, and a happier gut, then you absolutely need these 5 secretly high-fiber treats in your life. Most of us don't get nearly enough fiber, but with these snacks, you'll be well on your way to hitting your daily goals, without sacrificing flavor or fun. Whether you're looking for something crunchy, sweet, or savory, I've got you covered with options that are as delicious as they are nutritious. Fiber is one of those nutrients that often gets overlooked, but it's truly a game changer for your health. Not only does it help keep your digestive system running smoothly, but it also helps you feel fuller for longer, supports healthy blood sugar levels, and even feeds the good bacteria in your gut. The best part? You don't have to eat bland or boring foods to get more fiber. These snacks are proof that you can boost your fiber intake and still enjoy every bite. Grab your favorite snack bowl, because these picks are about to surprise you. You might even find a new go-to for your next movie night, study session, or afternoon pick-me-up. And don't worry, these snacks are easy to make, easy to pack, and easy to love. Whether you're a busy parent, a student on the go, or just someone who loves to snack between meals, you'll find something here that fits your lifestyle. So let's get into it. Let's jump right in. First up, roasted chickpeas. If you've never tried them, you're missing out on a snack that's both satisfying and seriously good for you. Chickpeas are naturally high in fiber and protein, and when you roast them with a little olive oil and your favorite spices, think smoked paprika, garlic powder, or even a dash of cayenne, they transform into crunchy, golden bites that are perfect for munching. The beauty of roasted chickpeas is how customizable they are. You can go spicy, savory, or even a little sweet with cinnamon and a touch of maple syrup. They're also budget-friendly and super easy to make at home. Just drain and rinse a can of chickpeas, toss them with oil and seasoning, and roast until crispy. In less than half an hour, you've got a snack that's way better than anything you'll find in a vending machine. Crunchy, savory, and a little addictive. Each handful gives you about 6 grams of fiber. That's more than you'll get from most chips or crackers, and you'll also get a boost of plant-based protein to help keep you full between meals. Plus, they're super portable. Just toss some in a baggie and you're good to go. They're also a fantastic way to add texture and nutrition to your meals. Sprinkle them over salads for extra crunch, toss them into grain bowls, or even use them as a topping for soups. And if you're looking for a snack to keep in your desk drawer or gym bag, roasted chickpeas are a perfect choice. They don't need refrigeration and stay crunchy for days. They're like nature's potato chips, but way less guilt. You get all the crunch and flavor, but with a fraction of fat and way more fiber. Try them as a topping for salads or soups, or just eat them by the handful when you need a quick, healthy bite. Ready for something sweet and satisfying? Next up, pear slices with almond butter. This combo is a game changer for anyone who loves a little sweetness with their snack. Pears are one of the highest fiber fruits you can find, and when you pair them with creamy almond butter, you get a snack that's not only delicious but also super filling. The natural sugars in the pear give you a gentle energy boost, while the healthy fats and protein in almond butter help keep your blood sugar steady. Trust me, it's the sweet and nutty combo you didn't know you needed. The juicy crunch of the pear and the rich velvety almond butter are a match made in snack heaven. It's perfect for an afternoon treat, a post-workout bite, or even a healthy dessert. One medium pear packs around 5 grams of fiber, plus almonds add extra crunch, and a little protein boost. If you want to mix it up, try adding a sprinkle of cinnamon or a drizzle of honey for even more flavor. This snack is also great for kids, and it's easy to prep ahead for busy days. Snack number 3. Popcorn. But not just any popcorn. Not the movie theater butter bomb, but air-popped popcorn. When you skip the heavy oils and fake butter, popcorn becomes a light, crunchy, and surprisingly healthy snack. It's a whole grain, which means it's naturally high in fiber and low in calories. 3 cups can give you almost 4 grams of fiber. That's a lot of volume for not a lot of calories, so you can snack away without feeling weighed down. Try seasoning your popcorn with a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor, or toss it with cinnamon and a touch of coconut sugar for a sweet twist. Crunchy, salty, and your stomach will thank you later. Popcorn is perfect for sharing with friends, packing in your lunch, or enjoying during your favorite show. And because it's so light, you can eat a generous portion without overdoing it. 4th snack, edamame. If you haven't tried these little green gems, you're in for a treat. These little green pods are fiber and protein superstars. Edamame is actually young soybeans, and they're packed with nutrients that help keep you energized and satisfied. Just steam them, sprinkle with a little sea salt, and you've got a snack that's fun to eat and good for you. Sprinkle some sea salt, and you've got a snack that keeps you full and happy. 1 cup of edamame has about 8 grams of fiber and 17 grams of protein, making it one of the most filling snacks on this list. Plus, it's a great source of iron, magnesium, and other essential minerals. Finally, chia pudding. This one's for all the meal preppers and breakfast lovers out there. Chia seeds soak up milk, turning into a creamy, fiber-loaded treat. All you need is a few tablespoons of chia seeds, your favorite milk, dairy or plant-based, and a little sweetener if you like. Let it sit overnight, and you'll wake up to a pudding that's rich, satisfying, and packed with nutrients. Top it with berries for bonus points. Berries add even more fiber, plus antioxidants and a burst of color and flavor. You can also try adding nuts, coconut flakes, or a swirl of nut butter for extra texture and nutrition. There you have it. 5 fiber-packed snacks that are easy to make, delicious to eat, and guaranteed to keep you feeling your best. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, these snacks will help you stay energized, satisfied, and on track with your health goals. So, which snack are you trying first? Are you team crunchy chickpeas, sweet pears, classic popcorn, protein-packed edamame, or creamy chia pudding? Or maybe you'll try them all. Drop your pick in the comments below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tasty health tips and snack ideas. Your gut will thank you, your taste buds will celebrate, and you'll never look at snacking the same way again. Happy snacking!